Hello everyone. This is a good day for me today. Managed to get over 514 pips. And we're talking about just few hours. All right. These are the entries I took today. And using some of them, most of them, these three entries here, this one, and this one, and this one, I took them using the gold 4H formula. So I always tell you guys that the gold 4H formula is working, and this is the proof. Today is Monday and I managed to get 514 pips. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? Just Monday. And the day is not over yet. So I can continue scaling for other entries. Look at that. The first entry here, I use liquidity engineering. This is compressive liquidity engineering, one of the best entry. The second entry here, I use this zone flip. This was the zone flip here, if you see it closely. And if you haven't watched the zone flip video, go on and watch it. Go on and watch it. The third entry, also using the gold 4H formula. And I took using order block entry type. That was an order block. And then the last entry here, I took using the it's like a camouflage, and I talked about the nature of break in one of the videos, so go and watch the nature of the break. This was a sudden break, that's why you see the price didn't come all the way down here and just ended here. It was a very nice day today. Most of these entries actually I took with a very clean confidence, I can say, with confidence within me, because I know the secrets of the market structure and I know how to use the price flow, such as the 4-hour price flow and so on. So guys, come and learn so that you can be able to get these types of entries like me here. Thank you very much, guys. See you to the next day, because my day is over. My day is over right now. So thank you very much.